There are two ways to use the thread snips function button on the Pfaff machines. And this is pretty standard for all Pfaff. So if you watch this, you can relate it to your own machine at home. So first off, the reason for the thread snips is that if you're stopped and you want the thread cut and the foot lift, just touch the button. But just like so many different things on this machine, they have two uses. So for example, if it was stopped when I touched it, it just immediately cut the thread. But watch, if I know that when I'm getting down to where I need to end and I push the button while I'm sewing, I get an extra locking set of stitches and the cut and the lift all at once. So that is something that you kind of want to play with a little bit so you're more familiar with your machine of when to touch it, and I bet you'll find you'll get the right results at the right time without even thinking after a little practice. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you just touch it, it's going to cut it, but if you touch it while you're sewing, you'll get the locking stitches as well.